Yo, what's up guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about some behind the scenes type of stuff that goes into that shops basically just don't want people to know about. And I'm not just talking about like Firestone, I'm talking about like any type of shop out there, like body shop, auto repair, anything. Like some just shady stuff or some cuts that they take. So a lot of shops just don't dispose of their oil properly. Um, so the proper way to dispose of oil is to cut the top off, drain it, and then I forget what we do with the bag, but you're supposed to dispose of it separately from the box. But a lot of shops will just take the bag, throw it into more bags. They won't cut the top off, and they'll just kind of throw it in the dumpster. That's all they do. So it's like one thing. Some shops, like the technicians that don't get paid hourly, like anything above maintenance tech is paid hourly. Doesn't get paid hourly, they get paid by flag hours. If you want me to describe flag hours in more detail, just leave a comment below and I'll explain that. But the technicians that get paid for their flag hours, they don't drain the oil all the way. Sometimes, I'm not saying like this happens at Firestone I work at, but I'm just saying like a lot of technicians just won't wait until it's drained fully. They'll just throw the plug back in just because they're trying to get it done quick. So it might not be fully drained. Another thing is like some technicians won't balance the wheel until it's balanced. Some technicians will just throw a wheel onto the rear end of the car if it's 0.5 ounces off, which can create some bounce, but not a whole lot, not noticeable. That's why they do it. Anything above 0.5, they're usually going to fix that, but anything 0.5 or below, they just kind of throw it on the rear end and no one ever notices. So that's one thing that they do that's kind of, I don't know, shady. Another thing is, like in body shops, watch out for body shops that do excessive bondo. A little bondo is okay, but you don't want to have like half your car bondoed up and then you go over some railroad tracks and half your car's gone. Who wants that? So just watch out for excessive bondo when going to a body shop. Kind of see if there's anything out there that they're already working on and like look what they're doing to it before you just go in and boom, now your car's all bondo. Falls apart halfway down the highway. A lot of shops will overprice parts, like air filters. If you're gonna change if a body shop or like a Firestone or anything like that recommends that you change your air filter, just go out, buy an air filter, and replace it yourself. It's gonna be at least $15 to $20 cheaper replacing it yourself than having like Firestone change it, because we like price up the part by like $20. It's crazy. Also, if you're able to do your own oil change, if you just have a jack and like an oil drain pan type of thing, just drain your own oil, change your own oil filter. It's so much cheaper in the long run. Like you save $30 to $50 for an oil change. It's crazy. Unless you're doing it at Walmart. Walmart's pretty cheap sometimes. Depends if they have a special or whatever. But just do some maintenance yourself, because it's gonna like save you so much money. It's gonna save you so much money. So they overcharge for labor sometimes. Like if a technician doesn't complete the job, they'll pay them for like more than what they're supposed to have, just because they did work, but they didn't get it done, so they're still getting paid, but it's not done. You know what I'm saying? They do overcharge for labor sometimes. Um, this doesn't happen at Firestone, but air filters being blown out by like an air hose. Somebody tried to accuse us of that, but that does happen at some like repair shop type places. They'll just take your old air filter out and then blow it out, and then throw it back in your car. That's what they accused us of. But we have like a whole shelf full of air filters. Like we change every air filter. So, but that's one thing that you gotta just check on your air filter after you. If you have, if, if you're stupid enough to go out to a repair shop and buy an air filter that they recommend you and pay that like $20 extra, then at least check it afterwards just to make sure it's like there and new and not like blown out because you just paid $20 extra for the air filter that you could have went down to your local uh, car parts shop and then like got it for $15, but instead you paid $35 for it at this repair shop. Just don't buy air filters. It's not worth it. Okay, and that's my last little like thing that shops do that is kind of shady. Um, Also, in more videos, I'm gonna do life stories. Thought that would be pretty interesting. Just tell you like crazy shit that I've done in my life, I guess. Yeah. So if you like the video, leave a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and thank you guys for watching. Peace.